What happens when some are left? Think about this question during the lesson. Maria has 20 pepper plants to place in 3 rows. She has to plant the same number in each row. How many plants will go in each row? How many are left over? How can you use counters to find the number of plants in each row and the number left over? Divide 20 counters among 3 rows. How do you know that some plants will be left over? You know some plants will be left over because 20 is not a multiple of 3. Why are the groups circled in the diagram? The 20 counters are being divided into 3 groups. What is a remainder? What is the remainder in this problem? The part that is left over after dividing is called the remainder. There are 2 counters left over. This is not enough for another counter in each row, so the remainder is 2. When you put items into groups and some are left over, can the leftover number be larger than the number of groups? No, what remains can never be larger than the number of groups. Another way to solve a division problem is to use an algorithm. Divide 3 groups of 6 into 20. Multiply. Subtract. Compare. Always remember to include the remainder or the answer is incomplete. Look at this division problem. What number should not be larger than the divisor? The remainder should not be larger than the divisor. What would it mean if the remainder was greater than the divisor? It would mean that the equal groups could be greater, thus the quotient is too small. Now, let's check our work. Maria can plant 6 plants in each row. She will have 2 plants left over. Now you know how to solve a division problem with a remainder.